Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so excited you're here. I'm Lisa and this is Creativity and Inspiration. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are having an amazing day. It's Thursday today. Woohoo! We're almost to the weekend. Of course, I don't know when the weekend starts and the week stops because I am so busy. Lots of things going on when you run 2 businesses, 3 businesses, and you're also an artist and you're constantly doing stuff. It's crazy. But today I have a really great video for you. This wasn't a planned video. This was kind of one that came about by accident. You know, Mother's Day, Father's Day are coming up. It's almost summertime. Maybe you're getting together with friends. I don't know. This was just kind of inspired. Well, it was inspired by this big envelope. But then the uses for it just kind of kept tumbling out of my head. Like ideas just falling out onto the table. So I filmed making this one. It is so cute. It is a large envelope. It has a velcro closure. Nice big space inside. It fits a small journal. This is actually, let me tell you the size. This is a 7 by 7.5 size envelope. So it will fit a nice size journal. It will fit a nice card. And it'll fit so much stuff that we'll go into that in just a second. But I wanted to show you, this is a smaller journal. Fits great. The closure, which again is a Velcro closure, works perfectly. Tie a bow, add a to from. Great, great gift idea, great way to store a journal. You know, if you just made a great journal, make one of these and it kind of completes the package, right? So I love this big envelope. Also, it's great for storing crafting supplies. You can put die cuts in here. You can put paper dolls in here, scraps and bits of paper, Velcro it shut, and stack it on a shelf. And you can know what they are by color. I would do certain colors for certain things. Like I said, cards. Picture this. If you sell stuff on Etsy and you want to make maybe a journal kit for people to buy, you could put these supplies in one of these big envelopes. If you are having a girls' day with your friends, a spa day with the girls, you could put a mask in here, an eye mask, a pair of socks. You could put a file for the nails. You could put a lot of goodies in here. Or if you're a mama or grandmama and you're going on a trip, you could put some activities in here. If you're having a party and you want to make a game like charades or something, you could put all the supplies in here. These large envelopes are priceless. I mean, they are unlimited uses. They're super easy to make. It took me no time at all. And it's just great. And you can make them with any paper. I suggest using scrapbook paper because it's sturdy. Now, this envelope was made from a 14 by, I want to say 10. Yeah, this was made from a 14 by 10. I had no paper 14 by 10 size. So what I did was I used 2 pieces of scrapbook paper, 12 by 12, and cut this. The measurements are all down below in the description. Cut it and made it that way. I sewed my edges. You can definitely glue them or tape them. And because I used 2 pieces at the top, I measured 2.5 inches down on one piece, cut that away, and then folded the flap over. To attach the Velcro, I used little Velcro dots. I put both of them on this side. And, of course, one stuck and one was just stuck to the Velcro. And then I put it down, tape. And that's a good way to make sure they're in place and they work together. Glue one down and then put the other half on the half that you glued down and then close it. Simple, easy trick. Now, what if you don't have 2 pieces of paper? I just thought this would be cute for Mother's Day. You could go with red or white and make a two-sided one. This one I thought would be excellent for Father's Day. And again, you could, the back side of this would make a great back side of the envelope. So if you have two of these, you know, flip one around, that's the back and that's the front. Or of course you could just do a solid black or a solid coffee dyed scrapbook paper, whatever you have. You could also make this out of fabric, same measurements, and if you can make it out of felt. So this is the envelope of all envelopes, and the possibilities and how you can make it are endless. So guys, the video on how I did this is actually at the back of this video. I did film it on my camera, and I did that because I had it sitting here. It's kind of a close-up picture of how it was filmed. So I'm going to put that at the back of this video so you can see how I did it. The measurements and everything are down below. If you have any questions, please reach out in the comments. Also, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite summertime fruit? Mine's not strawberries, but I had strawberry paper. I think mine is watermelon. I'll see you next time, guys. Oh, over the weekend on Sunday evening, the video on how you turn this and this into a journal will be up, so you don't want to miss out. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button with that little bell and click all for all notifications, because you really don't want to miss this. It's going to be too cool. Also, give this video a thumbs up, please, about the all-purpose amazing large envelope, because you're really going to have a lot of uses for it, and I think it will come in handy. Again, have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you on Sunday. Bye.